Hi there, everybody. In these current times of crisis, a question I'm often asked is, how do we build resilience? Well, I think we have resilience within us, and I'm going to share some techniques that help you to recognize when you see resilience in others, and also, of course, hope that others see it in yourself. These come from Dr. Luc Isabaert. Dr. Luc was the founder of the Korzybski Institute in Bruges, and he spent 30 years as a solution-focused practitioner helping his clients and his patients, some of whom were in the greatest of mental health stress and distress. And his 3 questions were as follows. First, what have I done today that I'm happy with? Ask yourself that question right now. What have I done today that I am happy with? Let's look for the things that are working, that have pleased you, and hold on to them because they're the things that give you strength. Second, what has somebody else done that I am grateful for? And of course, did I react in such a way that this person might do something like that again? Think about the things that others are doing at the moment, the things that others are helping you with, and be sure to be grateful. And then finally, what do I notice around me? If I think of all my senses, what do I notice that I'm happy with or grateful for? I'm going to be exploring these 3 questions in a simple 1-hour Zoom workshop at 11 o'clock on Tuesday, the 24th of March. That's Tuesday next week at 11 o'clock on Zoom. You'll find posts on social media. You'll find a link on Eventbrite. I really hope that you can join me there. And let's explore these 3 questions for a good life. Ask them today, ask them every day for a fortnight, and you will notice a big improvement in your own mental health and well-being, and of course, those around you.